Hello friends, I am host of the English Knowledge and here 5 question and answer about Earth. So let's start today's video titled 5 question about Earth. Number 1. What is the internal structure of Earth? Like an onion, the Earth has several layers. The outermost layer, the Earth crust, has an average depth of about 40 kilometers as compared with the diameter of the Earth, which is around 12,700 kilometers. The Earth crust is very small. It is primarily made up of solid rocks. Below the crust is the mantle, reaching to a depth of about 2,900 km. Due to the heat inside the earth, the mantle consists of solid and molten rocks. Below the mantle is the core, made up of iron and nickel. The deeper one travels inside the earth, the hotter it is. The temperature in the core is between 4,000 and 500 degrees Celsius. Number 2. How do we discover what is inside the earth? Caves and mines go only up to 1 to 2 km inside the earth. Even the deepest wells of the world, such as the one 12 km deep in the Russian Kola Peninsula or 9 km deep one in the Upper Palatinate, hardly scratch the earth crust. One can look deep inside the earth in the aftermath of earthquake or by creating nuclear explosion. The explosion generates sound or seismic waves. They also throw off rock particles. By measuring their intensity and timing, scientists discover the composition of the earth interior.
Number 3. How did we discover that the earth is round? About 3000 years ago, people believed that the earth was flat, but people wandered by ship disappeared at the horizon. Sailors who returned from journey and were proof that ship did not fall off the edge of the earth. The simplest explanation was the earth must be round. The final proof came in the year 1522 after the expedition of Ferdinand Magellan, who was the first to sail around the earth.
Number 4. Why do we not fall off from the earth? Gravity is the force of the earth that attracts every object toward itself. From our perspective, this force always acts downwards. For a long time, people did not believe that the earth is round because then the people underneath the sphere would have actually fallen down. In 1687, a physicist, Isaac Newton, proved that the force of gravity always acts toward the center of the earth. On the earth, the force of gravitation always acts downward, irrespective of Eskimo in the Arctic region, people in Europe, or inhabitant of Australia. Number 5. What is the Earth's atmosphere made up of? The word atmosphere means a gaseous cover enveloping a planet. Without atmosphere, life would not have been possible on the Earth. 21% of the atmosphere is oxygen and 78% is nitrogen. Like the Earth interior, the atmosphere too is made up of several layers. All animals and plants live in the lowermost layer of the atmosphere called the troposphere. All weather phenomena take place in the troposphere. Even aeroplanes fly in the outer edge of the troposphere. The stratosphere, the mesosphere, and the thermosphere and the exosphere live above the troposphere. Is this video helpful for you? Subscribe our channel.